Hello, I'm Delphine and welcome to Cooking with Delphine. Now, Flip, are you hungry?
Yes!
Wait, stop. Flip. I am doing a new recipe.
Okay.
Wait, please, Flip. The new recipe is Monster Mouth.
Oh, cool, that looks yummy.
And Flip, for this recipe, we need an apple, some peanut butter, and some marshmallows.
And sunglasses.
No, Flip, no sunglasses for this recipe. Step 1. We need to cut the apple.
Okay. Like this?
Exactly. Perfect. Good job. And now we need to empty the apple. Flip, look at me. Now, Flip, we need to slice the apples. What are you doing?
Nothing.
I said we need to slice the apples
Okay.
like this. Look at me.
Oh, okay.
Good. And now, let's open the peanut butter.
Wow, yum, yum, yum.
No, Flip. Wait.
Aww.
And now we're spreading the peanut butter on the slice.
Is it good?
It's excellent. Now, let's add the marshmallows. Flip, what are you doing? And that's a monster mouth. Thank you, Flip. Thank you everyone for watching Cooking with Delphine.
Wait.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.